Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a what's in my bag for my Vera Bradley Little Hipster in the print Havana Rose. Now this is a new to me bag. This I actually ordered on Poshmark. I bought it on Poshmark. I absolutely love this pattern. It makes me think of all things spring and summer with these beautiful roses and flowers, and the colors are just, and it's not a white bag, so therefore it's not going to get filthy. The background is coming across a little bit on the camera of maybe a navy color, but it's actually a true black. And this is the quilted cotton, so this can be hand washed. You can hand wash it if you feel so inclined, but this can be washed in the washing machine and line dried. This is a generously adjustable crossbody strap, which is extremely comfortable. The drop on this is at its shortest setting. You can wear comfortably over your shoulder, or you can adjust it to fit you crossbody. This bag also has 3 compartments. You have your front zipper compartment, your main compartment, and then in the back you have another slip compartment here. We'll go ahead and start with this compartment here. This is a magnetic compartment. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a generously strong, I love a hidden magnet. It's a hidden magnet here with the satin Vera lining. In here I just fit my phone, which I'm recording on right now, so it does fit in here. I have an iPhone 8 and I have no problem fitting this. I used my son's iPhone 11 Max Pro, whatever, and it does fit in here. The only difference is this is my mask. I wouldn't put my mask in here with the iPhone, the newer iPhone, but it does still close. So just in here I have my iPhone 8 and I keep my face mask there. On the front here I have my chamois and spray to clean my sunglasses or my phone. Your front pocket you have here is a great smooth zipper that comes down, and it has a little gusset here on each side, so your stuff's not going to just fall out. You have a slip pocket here at the top that you can put cash, receipts, whatever you want in there. You have 3 card slots and 1 ID window. And in here I just carry my pocket planner. I carry some extra coupons and Post-its and random whatnot in that. And in the bottom here I just have my favorite Sharpie pen. And should I need to put coins, I would honestly, what I do is I just drop them down in here. It's nothing to just reach in and grab some coins. So that's what I have in the front main zip pocket here. If you wanted to, you could put your phone in here. It does fit. You could put a chapstick, lip gloss. I mean, I have it packed and you see that there's still wiggle room. So the main part of the bag here, oh, and I forgot to tell you, both zippers have the Vera Bradley tag on it, smooth zipper. This is what it looks like packed up. I have this strictly packed up just for me, no kids. I did the COVID thing. I don't ever want any of my family to get it. It is horrible. So if I go out, it is just me or my husband. So I have a pack of Kleenex. I have anti-bac wipes. I have lotion because of the anti-bac wipes and because of the hand sanitizer. I also have a fig bar because hunger is always there, for me anyways. I don't want to have to drive through and pick up food, so if I get a little hangry, I want to have a snack for me. You have 1 privacy pocket in here. It has, for me, again, it's just me, so I have some Tums, my migraine meds, some Sudafed, and some Motrin. and that's all I have in there. Sometimes I will carry feminine products if I need to. This is the inside lining. I don't know if you can see. This is the Vera Bradley lining. It's nice. It's actually pretty wipeable. There are no pockets on this side, and you can see the gusset in the bottom here. So yeah, it's not very big, but you can stuff it full of stuff. In this pouch, I just have some just essentials that I want to have, not much, just a brush and a hair tie, a straw, some gum, some chapstick, some scissors, and some toothpicks. I mean, just super simple essentials you may need while you're out and about, running around. And that is what I carry in this bag. On the top, I can fit my sunglasses in here, but honestly, I generally just carry them either on my head or in the car. I have a little case. So, but there is room for you to shove your sunglasses in here. And it's a very light bag. I mean, it's a light bag, empty, and with just the essentials, you can only pack so much, so it doesn't get it doesn't get heavy at all. And it's very comfortable to wear. This would be great, you know, for the parks, the zoo, any kind of running around town where it's just you. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this little review and what's in my bag packing of the Vera Bradley Little Hipster in Havana Rose. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, please hit the like button and go ahead and hit that subscribe as well. And I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Bye.